Welcome to this quick guide on turning on call ringing in the Gmail app. If you're someone who relies on Gmail for personal or work emails, you'll want to make sure you don't miss important calls or notifications. Today, I'll walk you through the exact steps to enable call ringing on the Gmail app so you stay connected without missing a beat. First, open the Gmail app on your device. Once it loads, look for the menu icon in the top left corner, the three horizontal lines often referred to as the hamburger menu. Tap on this to open the side navigation. Next, scroll down in the menu and find Settings. It's usually near the bottom of the list. Tap Settings to access the account and notification options. Now, you'll see a list of your email accounts. Tap on the email address for which you want to enable call ringing. This opens the account's specific settings. From here, scroll down until you locate the call ringing option. It's a checkbox or toggle associated with a setting that controls phone call alerts related to Gmail. Tap the box or switch the toggle to enable call ringing. If you don't see call ringing right away, don't worry. Some versions of the Gmail app place these options under different submenus like notifications or advanced settings. Keep scrolling and check those sections for the call ringing option until you find it. After you've enabled call ringing, you'll want to verify the change. It's a good idea to exit the settings and perform a quick test. Have someone call you or use a second device to simulate a call and confirm that the Gmail app triggers the ring as expected. A couple of quick tips to keep things running smoothly. Make sure your Gmail app is up to date, as newer versions may relocate or rename certain features. Also confirm that your device's Do Not Disturb or silence modes aren't blocking calls from Gmail, which could prevent ringing from coming through. If you run into any trouble, a simple restart of the app or your device often resolves minor glitches. And if the option still isn't visible, check Gmail's help section or the app's release notes for feature visibility in your region, since some options roll out gradually.